find the domain of g of x equals the square root of x minus 4. Now, because we have a variable inside a square root, we need to follow the rule that the radicand can't be negative, which means it must be greater than or equal to 0. And then we replace the word radicand with the actual radicand, x minus 4. So we've got x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Then, to get x alone, we add 4 to both sides, saying x is greater than or equal to 4. Now, if we want this in set builder notation, we can just write the set of x such that x is greater than or equal to 4. But we might need this in interval notation. And again, if you can't do this in your head because you've not seen this before, always easiest to set up a graph. In this case, 4 is an important number, so I want to make sure that 4 is on the graph. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 3 and 2. Now, this restriction says x has to be greater than or equal to 4. So because it can be greater than 4, that means we're shading to the right. Those are the numbers that are bigger than 4. And because it's allowed to be equal to 4, we're going to put a closed circle there instead of an open circle. Now, this interval that we have starts at 4 on the left and goes all the way to infinity on the right. We always use parentheses when we're dealing with infinity. And in this case, because 4 is allowed to be a part of the domain, we're going to use a bracket at that 4. And since there's only the one interval, this is the whole domain. So we've got bracket 4, comma, infinity, parenthesis. And that's it.